Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonium solo. First, let's explore the fundamental components of your harmonium. You'll need to understand the bellows, which provide air, and the keys, which produce sound. Proper posture is crucial for comfort during extended playing sessions. Sit upright with relaxed shoulders and position your hands naturally over the keyboard. Begin by practicing simple scales, like C major, to develop finger strength and coordination. This foundational work is essential for all future solo endeavors. Now, let's delve into developing your harmonium technique. Focus on exercises that enhance finger independence and agility, such as playing chromatic scales. Experiment with diverse rhythmic patterns, perhaps starting with 4/4 time and moving to 3/4. The harmonium stops are vital for shaping your sound. Try combining 2 or 3 stops to create unique timbres. Practice connecting melodic phrases seamlessly, aiming for a fluid and expressive performance. Moving on to the exciting world of soloing and improvisation. A basic understanding of music theory, including major and minor chords, will greatly assist you. Start by improvising over a single drone note, allowing your fingers to explore melodic ideas freely. Dedicate time to ear training. Try to identify intervals and simple melodies by ear. Don't be afraid to experiment with various musical styles, from classical Indian to folk, to broaden your soloing vocabulary. Finally, let's discuss effective practice and performance strategies. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of focused practice each day. Recording yourself playing can provide invaluable insights into your progress and highlight areas needing refinement. Performing for a small audience, even just 1 or 2 people, helps build confidence and reduces performance anxiety. Listen actively to accomplished harmonium soloists to gather inspiration and discover new musical approaches for your own playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.